Hello again and welcome back to the channel, and today we're at Fethiye in Turkey, so let's go and have a look around. Yeah, just gonna have a slow walk up past, I take it it's a marina, a large bay at the top. Just gonna have a little walk up. I know every Tuesday it's got a massive market on. If you want to see that, I'll post a link to the video up there, and I'll also put it in the descriptions below, where that is a massive market. Some really nice fruit and veg. We'll continue to walk up past all the boats, and big ones, little ones. Seems rather tranquil. And I think our hotel is just over behind that island. It looks like I've got a little companion following us there. A nice relaxing walk.
Sunday night.
Some larger ships over there, one with two big masts. Looks like there's a tanker just over that way. Oh, this little pedestrian area. Yeah, I think we're over that way, our hotel, which is quite way away. Right, I hope you enjoyed that little walk along the Fethiye promenade. It's just starting to get a little bit breezy there, which normally does after dinner. If you like this sort of video, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, it'll all be appreciated, and you'll see future videos. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.